Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 239. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got, 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, so 3, 4. 3, 4, and that means the only place our 2 can be in that box is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5, but the 5 can't be here or here, so this is our 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got the 3 covering both of these boxes. I don't see any other help, so 4, 5, 4, 5. That means that our 3 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9, 9 here, so 2, 5, and no help here, so 2, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got the 3 and 4 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 3, 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 2. 2 here, so 1, 6. That means the only place that our 2 can be in that box is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so, and a 4 here. So this is our 1. 4 here. Well, the 7 can't be in these two boxes, so this must be our 7. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1. Oh, we've got a 4 here. That makes this our 5, 4. And that's 6. Ooh, we've made a mistake somewhere. This box wants a 1 or 6, but we've got a 1 and 6 in this column. Well, that will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.